Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus LS versus Lexus ES. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which model best suits your needs. The LS, a flagship full-size luxury sedan, prioritizes performance and premium amenities. In contrast, the ES, a mid-size luxury sedan, offers a comfortable ride and excellent value. We'll delve into their differences in size, performance, and overall driving experience to guide your decision. When it comes to performance, the Lexus LS generally offers more robust engine choices, including powerful V6 and V8 options, providing exhilarating acceleration. Its advanced suspension ensures a supremely comfortable and quiet ride, ideal for long journeys. The Lexus ES, on the other hand, typically features efficient four-cylinder or V6 engines, prioritizing fuel economy and a smooth, composed driving experience perfect for city and highway cruising. Both offer Lexus's signature refinement. Inside, the Lexus LS truly shines with its opulent cabin, featuring exquisite materials, intricate craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Expect expansive rear legroom and a wealth of comfort features. The Lexus ES also provides a luxurious and well-appointed interior, offering a comfortable and intuitive experience with high-quality finishes. While both models prioritize safety with advanced driver assistance systems, the LS elevates the luxury experience to a higher degree of sophistication and space. Ultimately, your choice between the Lexus LS and ES depends on your priorities. The LS represents the pinnacle of Lexus luxury, offering unparalleled comfort, performance, and advanced features, albeit at a higher price point. The ES provides an excellent balance of luxury, efficiency, and affordability, making it a fantastic option for many drivers. For those seeking maximum space and prestige, the LS is ideal. If value and practicality are key, the ES is a superb choice. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.